It's Sunday evening. Has
Sunday
everybody
evening.
survived the weekend?
Yes. Have
That's
you done
good.
anything fun this weekend?
Had a couple drinks with some friends Friday night.
Having a drink right now.
I am not. And then,
I fixed myself a Bloody Mary.
very nice. And then, no, just kind of chill, hung out, did stuff around the house, got some stuff done, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Well,
pretty
that's good.
good. How about yourself?
I just got some stuff done, hung out with family. Had a really weird thing happen today. Um, I was just doing a quick run for some a property that I manage, and this lady just walks up to my door frantically, like the car door,
Really?
and she's freaking out. And she's got like a bruise on her face, and she's like crying, and she's like talking for her life, and I'm just like, what the heck's happening? And she's just like, I just need you to take me somewhere, please, just get me out of here. And I'm like, normally I don't give people rides like that, but she explained to me, she pointed to this house, and she was like, he's I'm really worried, he was hitting me and everything. And I'm like, oh jeez and crow, lady. I'm like, all right, just so I
Wow.
I basically just like filmed like I started recording, you know, and I said you can get in and I'll take you to the nearest gas station because it was freezing out today. I mean, it's probably like
Yeah.
12 degrees out,
Yeah, it's
you know.
it's cold. Yep.
So she hops in, I'm filming this conversation with her. She's kind of talking to me about it. I ask her, I'm like, "Well, let's call the police." And she's like, "No." She's like, "I can't." I'm like, "Why?" And she's like, "Well, I have an unpaid ticket." And I'm like, I really would encourage you to call the police about this. Like this is serious stuff. Like you shouldn't be hanging out with this guy. Anyways, long story short, dropped her off. I called the police. I filed a report about it, sent them the evidence of my
Yep.
conversation with her,
Yep.
and I hope that, everything's fine, but just added to the weirdness of my day. That's for
Wow.
sure. It's just, I hate domestic violence stuff, man. That's just not
I
cool.
know.
It's just
It
not
isn't.
cool. But
Nope.
so,
So
anyways, totally random, but
yeah.
yeah. But let's
So
talk crypto, man. Let's talk crypto.
crypto. Yeah, I mean, what did I do? I researched and kind of purchased another coin over the weekend.
Did you really? What'd you buy?
Yeah. Parcel. It's another real world asset token.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So I kind of I'm starting to build a position on that one.
You like
Yeah,
it?
I think so. I think it's gonna be good. Just I have a nice bag of I have like four cryptos that are dealing with real world assets and DeFi and whatnot. So,
Yeah.
the other ones are
Well,
BNC Pool and
well,
then Maple and then WCFG.
the real world assets, and it just seems like it just makes sense. It's just and
Yeah, the tokenize it totally makes sense. It's going to happen.
yeah, it totally is.
It's not going to, it's already
It's
happening.
already happening. Yeah, exactly.
So anyway,
Yeah.
but before we get too involved in the conversation, Cody's not a financial advisor, and
No.
neither am I.
Yep.
And this is not financial advice. It's just us talking about crypto on a cold Sunday evening here in the Northeast.
Yep. And I also want to just tell everybody, if anybody randomly ever comes up to your car and asks for a ride, the answer, I would advise you to not give them a ride. I just did that because she seemed like she was in a bad situation, and that's the decision I made. But we got to be careful when people ask for rides.
Yes,
I just wanted
yes,
to
definitely.
clarify that. So, but anyways, yeah, man. So a lot of good stuff happening right now. The market's actually showing,
The market's showing, well, it's going up, It's
yeah,
been kind of not, it hasn't been dragging,
no, it's
it's
not been
it
dragging.
kind of been, to me, the last couple of days kind of bumped up a little bit, and now it's kind of going sideways.
Yeah, I want to let's take a look actually of the portfolio here if we would, because I
All
think
right.
I think it might be good to take a look at that.
Sure. You're gonna pull it up?
I'm working on it. It's a
All right.
it's a process.
It is.
Okay, we got the Masterminds portfolio up, which we have not changed yet for the record.
No.
I want everybody to realize that. And we've talked about it. Brian and I have talked about changing things up a little bit, maybe doing some turnarounds.
Yeah, I want to wait and give it a little more time.
Yeah, but
another 2 or 3 weeks. I want to give it to inauguration.
yeah, yeah, see what happens after that. But there's why can't I find you right now? Where are you?
Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for you. There you are. Found you. Okay.
Me.
Yes. Yeah, so yeah, no, but I think it's interesting because I feel like there's gonna be some serious growth with these top 10 coins that we've recommended. And I'm excited to share that with
With
everybody.
us, with everybody.
Yeah.
Here
All
it
right.
is.
There we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm so organized right now. It's ridiculous. Okay. Let's take a look. All right. So we have, all right, obviously Bitcoin's in there. Ethereum, Maple Finance. Okay. Maple doing all right. Ethereum's actually up. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but Ethereum's been up on this
On the
almost
seven
10%
day.
on the 7 day right now.
Yes, I have been watching that.
But what's really been cranking, our biggest performer, is Sushi Swap, up
I
almost
know, I
30%
saw
on the
that.
7 days. Yeah,
Right?
I'm
That
really
thing's
pumped
been
about that.
pumping. Yeah.
Yeah. And then Airdrome Finance, it's kind of evening out, starting to see some green. Immutable X up almost 7.5%. CFG's finally starting to turn around a little bit. HBAR's been a sweet thing to watch go. It
Yeah.
definitely
It's
has.
now it's kind of been consolidating around that 30 cent range.
Yeah. CRO up over 10% and CLV 4%. So we're starting to see some green back in the market, but our top performers of the 7 days
There's a
is
DEX coin, Sushi Swap, and an exchange coin,
yeah,
CRO.
and that's it. So, and here's the thing, I actually would argue that exchange coins typically do really well on a turnaround. I think that that's
Yes.
actually pretty common to see.
And I would agree because I personally hold some Uniswap,
Yeah.
and Uniswap was doing pretty good. I don't know on well the right now it's down a little bit on the 24 hour, but let me see on the week.
Yeah,
Uh,
Uniswap is pretty good.
yeah, pull up Uniswap real quick.
Let's take a look at the Uniswap.
The Uniswap.
Uniswap number 20. Number 20 on the market cap. That's actually really cool. I never noticed that.
I wonder what it's like on the 7 day though. Like if you just pulled it up on the regular.
Well, the 7 day, it's up 15%.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Or I'm sorry, it's up
17%.
17%.
Nice.
So yeah,
See
I
another
mean,
one.
and
So how
it
about
makes sense.
BNB?
It
Pull
makes
up B. I
sense that
wonder if
these would be doing
BNB.
well on the
Yeah.
turnarounds, Brian.
So put BNB in there.
Okay, we're gonna test this. We're testing it right
We're
now. That's what
testing
we're
it,
doing. All
right?
right.
Or
I like that.
and then KAS.
BNB, surprisingly not up.
Well, on
Oh,
the
that's
weekly.
that's the
Hold
day. Yeah,
on,
let's start the
let's
weekly.
pull up the weekly. Well,
Hold on a second.
it's loading.
Processing. Let's see. Yes, no.
Only 2% though.
2%. That's surprising.
Yeah.
But then again, take a look at this though, $700. I mean, its all-time high is $713. So we are in price
No,
discovery
that's the
mode.
24-hour
Oh,
high.
that's
It's
the oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
790.
Sorry.
Be
Let's
right below it, right there, 793 all-time high.
where are you seeing this?
Right
Oh yeah,
there
yeah, 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 793.
on your
So
screen
so 793, yeah, it's right there. So $793
at 35
all-time high.
cents.
Let's take a look at the CRO because CRO is not near its all-time high as far as I'm concerned.
No, what's the all-time high? It was up around $1 or so, wasn't it?
Yeah. It was significantly higher.
Yeah, 96 cents.
Right. So, it would make sense to me that we're not in serious price discovery mode or close to the Binance coin all-time high as
No,
we, like it makes sense to me because I think we're oversold on CRO is what I'm trying to say. Like we're just simply oversold. This is an exchange coin for one of the largest exchanges in the world, you know?
right. Yeah, so
Uniswap's up, uh, Sushi swaps up. Is there any other swaps out there?
pancake swap.
Yeah.
I don't know if I
No, I
haven't
think
heard
you're
that
right
name in
about
a
that.
while.
Pancake swap.
Are they even active anymore? Did they?
Yeah. Well, 120, 122, $2.83. Not bad on the daily. Yeah, look at that, dude. See, dude, there's something to be said. This is
The
interesting.
the dexes.
There's something to be said for turnarounds,
Let's see,
for
right?
these having turnarounds. Maybe
They
these are
all
the ones
just
to
turn
buy.
around at the same time. Well, it's
Look at
all a
this.
sector.
We're down quite a bit though. Holy smokes. $44 original.
Oh wow.
It's crazy. All right. Well, that's interesting. That is like that's interesting. I find that really interesting.
You
I don't
do,
know.
don't you?
What do you think about it?
Uh,
What else
I
we
think
got?
everything's
What's
going
another
up.
exchange coin? What's the
Try KAS.
what is this Kraken?
Nope. What was KuCoin? Put KuCoin in there.
Oh, hold on.
KuCoin. That's
Oh,
not
that's
what I
not
was
it.
thinking. No. What was it? Just spell out KUCO
Oh,
right
there it
there.
is. Yeah, yeah, that's it.
KCS.
Yeah, that's up.
I
Oh,
used to
that's
have that coin when I used to do stuff on KuCoin, but now we
well, this
can't.
is in the top 100 anyways. So I'll bet you it's up. Oh my gosh, it's
It's
not.
down.
It's down. Okay. So I'm not convinced about the exchanges and this kind of stuff, but I am kind of
The
convinced about
DEXs, though.
the DEXs. Yes. That's a really interesting.
Decentralized exchange.
Yeah. I'm actually really, that's really interesting, man.
So I get, I get this all this crap on my phone and stuff about cryptos and stuff, and like on Facebook where they're talking about like they show JD Vance that he has 70 million worth of this crypto is kind of like what they're leading into. And then they're
Yeah.
talking about, well, it's the whole administration, everybody coming in combined have 70 million in this cryptocurrency. It does 6,500 transactions a second, and it's
Yeah.
433 times faster than Ethereum. And I'm like, but
Right.
of course they won't tell you what it is. You have to go through the whole thing. They want you to sign up for stuff, all that crap. So I'm
Yeah.
doing some research. I think it's Solana.
That's what you think it's Solana?
Right. Well, Solana does 60. It can't is they say it could do up to 6,500 transactions a second. It says it's 433 times faster than Ethereum. So I'm
Hey,
like, maybe it's Solana.
could also be, could also be XRP.
AVAX, Avalanche.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah,
That's
there's a lot of them.
interesting.
Yeah.
What about HBAR?
HBAR, what about it?
How fast is that thing?
That's pretty quick too.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
I don't know. That's interesting. I think actually, hey, check out this little article that I found. I This is really interesting, dude.
All right.
I'm actually like I'm actually kind of curious to see why people are getting super bullish right now because like all of a sudden there's some seriously bullish articles that have been coming out. Like for instance, this one, investors.com had put out an article called Bitcoin set for significant bull market analysis,
That's
target
right.
of $225,000 per Bitcoin.
That's a little more than my 207,000.
Just a little bit more. So
Not
Bitcoin
not
continues
much.
to trade under 100,000 starting of the new year after retreating from the record high of nearly 108,000. Can you believe
Bitcoin's
that we
at a
hit that?
bargain right now.
Yeah, it is. In mid-December, despite the recent pullback, analysis experts Bitcoins to clear $200,000 this year as 2024 sets the stage. Dude, I don't know, man.
For
I
accelerating
Yeah,
gains.
for accelerating gains, cryptocurrency prices continuing climbing Friday. Elsewhere, BlackRock and iShares Bitcoin Trust on Thursday saw a record outflow.
Record outflow?
Wait,
Yeah.
yes, record
Well,
outflows.
all right. People were taking profit.
They were taking profit. So, anyways, we can get into this whole thing, but ideally, what they're saying, it's just a really interesting article, kind of reading into it
Yeah.
about their whole philosophy and what they think is going to happen with the Bitcoin price
So I'm
over the.
here. Oh, look, wait. Go.
Where
Wait.
do you want to go?
There's a list of companies right there.
Oh yeah,
So Wainwright wrote that, hold on, what is it? 2024 set the stage for a significant bull market for Bitcoin and crypto miners this year. I'm just gonna mining stocks are seen once again outperforming Bitcoin in 2025 as fundamentals improve for the group. So you got Mariah Holdings, Riot Platforms. I have some Riot Platform. Clean Spark, as its pure play miners. The firm includes Core Scientific, BitDeer, TerraWolf, Hut 8, Irene, Bit Digital, and Hive Digital as hybrid miners. Huh. That's kind of
Interesting.
cool. So they're saying all those are going to probably be booming in 2025.
Yeah. So I
Huh.
don't know. There's a
Yeah.
lot there's a lot to read here on it, but I just think
Yeah.
that, it's just so interesting that all of a sudden these big bullish things are coming out where we're talking about the price of Bitcoin literally doubling and beyond what it is right now.
Yeah.
Significant. And then
Yeah.
there
I mean,
was
it more than doubled last year. So why
right.
can't it at least 1x this year? Come on.
Well,
Bitcoin's got a
exactly.
1x in it all
I
day
was
long.
I agree. I think it's highly it's wow. Highly probable that we will see the probability,
It sounded
the
like you were combining two
probability and
words.
inevitability of Bitcoin hitting a 1x in this bull cycle is very, very doable, I think. Actually, one last thing, and then I think we should actually take a look at the charts. If you guys want to just please hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, comment. That would mean the world to us. But if you guys also want to follow us on other news, we are on Truth Social. You it's such a weird thing to be on, but it's actually been kind of fun. And we put out articles all the time about stuff and what's happening in the market. Anyways, this is one that we just put out. The top 5 crypto pre-sales. Something to take a look at, you know.
Huh.
Crypto pre-sales,
Yeah, they're
they
all
can
risky.
they're all
Very
risky.
high risk. Most of them don't work out.
They don't. But these are what I believe are the top high pre-sales. So you can take a look at that. We also yeah. So yeah, just if you guys want to follow us for like more news, different things, we post it here on this page. We've thought about getting back into Twitter, but for some reason we got knocked out and that was the end of that.
We're still knocked out.
I don't get why. They never
Yeah,
got
it's so
back to
weird.
us.
Huh.
So it's just whatever. I don't care anymore.
All right, move
I've moved
on.
on from Elon Musk to Donald Trump. That's what
Donald.
exactly what I've done.
All right. So you want to see some charts.
Yeah, let's take a look at it. It might be
All right.
interesting to kind of look at the market and see if there's any turnaround or anything that's happening for January. Brian thinks that we're going to be hitting some serious all-time highs by January 20th, which is
Not
approaching.
all-time highs, but I think we're going to have some nice movement from now till January
You don't
20th.
think we're going to have a
Yeah, I
Bitcoin
think we're
all-time
going to have a
high?
new Bitcoin all-time high.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go.
All right. By January 20th. Because here's Bitcoin's
I didn't
daily
say
chart.
all-time highs. I'm just saying some all-time highs, you know?
Oh,
And actually, we
but
could actually have a market all-time high.
Bitcoin's going sideways here. We're stuck in this a lot of pricing in this channel between the 95 to 99,000. So we did break down below here last week, right before New Year's. And since New Year's, we've been going up. So let's hope the trend continues, but we've kind of lost a little momentum today. So we'll see what happens. Um, I really think this is turning out to be a pain in the butt resistance, this 99,000 to 100,000. But, eventually we're going to break through it. And I really think we're going to break. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I'm like 50-50 on the fence, Cody. I'm kind of indecisive with what I think Bitcoin's going to do. I kind of think it's going to ride along this 100,000 mark. It might break above it and kind of ride in this channel for a little bit and then go make the new all-time high. So we have roughly today's the 5th, so we got 2 weeks roughly. So maybe a week in this channel, and then a week of breaking new all-time highs, and then we have a new president in office. That's my prediction.
Yeah, there you go.
So who knows? Long term um, is a little looking bearish a little bit on the weekly. So we definitely need that turnaround, but that level here is holding, that 95,000 is holding. And then if we went on the monthly is still bullish, but definitely slowed down a little bit, but we'll see what happens here. Short term, if we went to like the 2 hour chart, again, it's kind of just Getting it's actually doesn't look too bad. Um, on the 2 hour chart, mind you, this 2 hour candle wicks. It's definitely riding up on top of the 20-day moving average. So going towards that 99,000 line. So hopefully we can carry some momentum. Hopefully come Monday morning, something big, great, happy market news comes out and everybody's happy and spending money buying Bitcoin.
Is it Sundays
But
dumps and Mondays pumps, or is it the other way around?
usually Sunday pumps, Monday dumps, I
That's
thought.
what I thought. Yeah.
You
So
know,
we're
so
not a whole lot of pumping today. I mean, maybe we're just behind schedule and it's going to be the other way around.
Bitcoin's going to do what it wants to do, that's for sure.
That's how it
You
always
know,
goes.
so let me go to let me look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance doesn't look too good either,
No.
right? So
But Bitcoin's dominance is really not really in line with altcoin season, which is what you and I are more excited about anyways. What most people, I would argue, is excited about anyways. So it's
yeah,
like when the
so
Bitcoin dominance is not good, that could be good news for the altcoins.
it could be definitely as long as Bitcoin is going sideways, it's still going up. But so
Yeah, it's not
total,
guaranteed good news, but it could
here's
be.
the total two.
Yeah.
So the total two, that's why Bitcoin total two is rebounding. Bitcoin is too, but it seems like this is having a bigger bounce than Bitcoin, the total two. So the altcoin market definitely rode along the 50-day moving average here for a little while, but now it's bounced up. So again, it's definitely finding some resistance around that 1.45 trillion. So we'll see what happens. I would really like to have a strong week this week where we just bust out of this stuff and we start pushing towards, recent highs that we've had in the altcoin market and Bitcoin. So that's the total two. I want to see total three get Ethereum out of there. Very similar. So altcoins are moving a little bit better than Bitcoin, maybe. Or and that's why we see the dominance going down in Bitcoin. Let me see. I don't look at this one that often. Bitcoin versus Ethereum.
That's always a
So,
fun one to look at.
all right, so it's going down.
Down,
So
down,
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 down. So
down the
Ethereum's
ring of
getting stronger
fire.
versus Bitcoin. So,
And
but
it
it's kind of,
burns, burns,
this is
burns.
probably a level right in this area. The 27 Ethereum to one
That ring
Bitcoin
of
is
fire. That ring of
27 Ethereum
fire.
equal one Bitcoin. Really? That's a lot, huh?
I think I think I might have put a little bit too much of the Tito's in
I
my
want to
Bloody
make a
Mary.
happy drink. Can we just turn this into a
Let me just
drinking
get to it
session?
right now. When it comes down to crypto, life is like a burning fire. You go down without a desire. Right? Did I
Hey,
sing
can I
those
take a
lyrics wrong?
couple minute break and go make myself a drink and have a drink with you?
Yeah, you could if you want. I don't care.
All right, I'll be right back. I am.
I fell
All right.
into a
I think
burning ring of fire.
maybe someone's put some ideas of coins they want me to look at in the chat
Yeah.
or whatever. I'll
Yeah,
be
okay.
right back. I gotta go get a drink.
Brian's gonna leave me with you
I
guys.
can't let Crypto Cody drink by himself. I can't. I
Yeah,
gotta go get a
yeah,
drink. Not right.
yeah.
I'll be
And
right
it
back.
burns, burns, burns. That ring of fire. That ring of fire. All right, yeah. So what are we gonna talk about now, huh? How about you guys throw something in the comments section that we can look up? I don't care. We'll look it up. Oh, he's got to stop sharing his screen. Brian, you stinker. You keep on sharing your. All right. Well, whatever. Anyways, what do we got to look up? All right, what are we gonna look up? What are we gonna look up? Let's look up ba, 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 the crypto news that's happening right now. You guys tell me what to look up. I think that there's actually, I don't know. I think in spite of what the market's doing, I think there's a lot of good things that are happening right now. I think there's a lot of good things that are happening right now. Here, let's do this. Bear with me, folks. I saw an article on John McAfee recently too, which I'm like, I thought he passed away. So I thought that was kind of interesting. Because I actually did an interview with him once and posted it on this channel. All right, let's take a look. So the crypto news. What's happening here? Oh, good old Michael Saylor. Let's take a look at that one. Oh, shoot. I gotta make it so you guys can hear this. Let's take a look at Michael Saylor and what's happening with what he says. This can't possibly be live right now.
Double in return. This transparent approach simplifies the process and delivers immediate value to participants.
That was the fastest drink you ever made, Brian.
To maximize their chances of success, viewers should remain attentive during the live broadcast and act swiftly.
Cheers.
The key lies in scanning the QR code as soon as it appears on the screen and following the straightforward steps to deposit their Bitcoin. The sooner they participate, the greater their chances of success, as the offer is time-sensitive and contingent upon the availability of funds allocated for the giveaway. Furthermore, viewers can enhance their participation experience.
Do I need to scan this?
By familiarizing themselves with Bitcoin transactions in advance. Acquiring a basic understanding of cryptocurrency wallets and transactions can significantly streamline their participation,
especially if we're having a drink right now,
and increase efficiency during the giveaway.
They just want me to send them one Bitcoin so
to qualify for doubling their Bitcoin, viewers should adhere to these straightforward steps during our live broadcast. Firstly, keep a vigilant watch for the QR code. Once it surfaces, swiftly employ your smartphone to scan it.
I would wait on that.
This action will seamlessly direct you to our dedicated giveaway site.
Yeah.
Upon arrival at the site, sans any requirement for registration, proceed to directly deposit any desired amount of Bitcoin.
Apparently, I don't know. We decided
it's imperative to undertake this action during the live broadcast period to secure eligibility for the offer.
Hey, I don't.
Following the completion of your deposit, our system will.
Hey, I just want to let everybody know that's watching our channel. Don't do that.
I mean, at least you do what you want.
You do what you want to do, but don't do that. I don't know what he's asking us to do.
Research. Yeah. Hold on, let me get my QR reader up there.
Why don't you check it out?
Guarantees your active participation in the giveaway and renders you eligible for doubling your Bitcoin investment. For newcomers to Bitcoin, participation in this giveaway is incredibly straightforward, requiring no prior experience.
Dude, are we like watching? What are we watching right now? Is Michael Saylor really live right now? There's multiple live. I looked up crypto news, and up comes Michael Saylor.
Hold on, stop. Right, but so look, scroll down, scroll up. Yeah, I don't know.
Dude, I think he's actually live right now. Okay, is this actually MicroStrategy's channel?
It might be.
Will somebody please tell us if he's actually live right now, or if this is just not really true? I don't know. There's a lot of people watching. Dude, let's watch it. Why not? Why not?
Initially deposited.
Take a look and see what he's doing.
We've meticulously streamlined the entire process to ensure smoothness and hassle-free participation, even for individuals new to cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, our dedicated technical support team will be readily available throughout the broadcast to provide assistance with any inquiries or
Yeah,
guidance
no, you know what?
needed.
I don't know anything. I don't know what this is about.
It said it started streaming 70 minutes ago.
Yeah, I say forget that. Just disregard all that stuff, guys. I don't even know what I don't even know.
Yeah, I don't know.
But dude, when you look up crypto on YouTube, so interesting.
Yeah, I really don't. I don't look it up on YouTube that often.
Yeah, you just post a bunch of your videos on it about it.
I just look it up on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap.
Look at this guy. This guy's okay. So this guy's legit.
Have memes gone too far?
I followed him for a while. Okay, and he's saying that we need to get out of
Get out of crypto.
Gone.
I think he's talking about getting out of meme coins.
It began as a springtime rally of adorable
Which, by the way, I think there is something to be said for this. I really do.
animals
Crypto
has
insiders
descended
warn
into
meme
a
coins are
deluge of
crashing. Get
meme
out.
coin detritus, polluting our blockchains, sucking up mindshare, and even inspiring violence and debauchery in the real world. My name is Guy, and stay tuned to find out why one of crypto's most revered figures says meme coins are too weird now, and whether or not the meme coin...
No, meme coins have always been weird. They've always been very weird. And the only sanity that's been brought into meme coins is the fact that we've recognized that they are weird. And the reverse psychology of investing in meme coins is because we've all come to that realization that that's what that is. Hence Dogecoin being endorsed by Elon Musk, which
is in the top 10 and it has like a $30 billion market cap.
Yeah, the richest man in the world is the only coin that he really gives a lot of recognition to is freaking Dogecoin.
And I think it was because it was a joke.
Yeah,
Just
I know,
'cause
and he loves that. That's his kind of humor.
Yeah.
He finds that hilarious. So I don't know. And then when the Hawk Tua girl put out the meme, that just solidified the ridiculousness of that. That's like taking ICOs to a whole nother like level, you know?
reign of terror is finally coming to an end. Meme coins are far and away the best performing cryptos of the year. In 2024, all of the altcoin analysis, research, and gem hunting in the world couldn't bring you gains on par with a well-chosen animal. This became apparent at the beginning of 2024 when spot Bitcoin ETF mania sparked a monster rally that touched all corners of the crypto market, but especially memes, which went ballistic. The rally lasted until March, when it met an abrupt end. And not long before the market reversed, Travis Kling, the founder of crypto asset management firm Ikigai, posted a thread on X entitled, "A lack of pretense that any of this shit does anything or will ever do anything."
Any of this shit.
Yeah, I like that. That's a great question that needs to be answered. You just can't be taken seriously in this world when it's just that stuff. Anyways, we're not going to watch all of his videos. I want to get into the charts. But if you guys do want to ever check out Coin Buru? Biru? Why can't I can't remember that name. Anyways, check him out. He's awesome. Buru. Coin Buru. Something like that. I have a little bit of Tito's going on right now. But yeah, great channel. So, dude, what's happening with the charts, man? Let's just dive into it.
I don't know what charts. Give me some charts you want me to look at.
Well, let's just take a look at the full. Let's take a look at.
Here's it. All right, we'll just do the portfolio, and then I'm going to call it. All right, here's Ethereum. We already looked at Bitcoin. All right.
Yeah.
So this is Ethereum. So, and it's going up. We've had a nice rebound off of this is.
Oh, we have a request.
This is market cap of Ethereum. Oh, what's the request?
We finally got a request from the. This is from the top 5 podcast. He wants us to look at XCN. The top
what?
XCN.
XCN?
Yeah.
Ooh, I've heard of that before.
XCN. We'll check that out for you. We'll check it out right now. The top 5 podcast.
Huh. That kind of looking interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is ready to break out a little bit, it
Are
looks
you
like.
sharing the screen?
No, I'm not. Let me share my screen. Uh, my, all right, my cats are coming to interrupt me. They're not going to
They
let them.
they always do.
So XCN. So um, if you don't mind, pull up the data on the on CoinMarketCap.
Dude, the founders, holy crap. So he's telling us, he or she, whoever is talking to us, is that the founders are Citibank and Fidelity and Visa.
I heard something about a project them they were going to be doing. That was a while ago. Wow. So
Those are the actual founders, though. That's amazing if that's true.
what's its all-time high?
I can take a look. I'll pull up the, well, you look at that chart. I'm going to pull up
Yeah,
the,
yeah. So the chart, I was just checking out long time. I mean, right now on the daily chart, everything is just we had like a they call it a golden cross kind of when the 50 goes back above the 200-day moving average back here. Beginning of December, we saw that big move. And then, of course, we went back down, had a correction.
yeah.
Seems like right around 0.2 is a
Holy
pretty
crap.
strong support level.
Dude, its all-time high 3 years ago was 18 cents.
Oh my God, 18 cents.
That's insane. That's a huge jump to see it do that.
18 cents?
Yeah. You want to talk about dollar cost averaging for your buy-in
That's a
on that?
90x if it ever got to its all-time high. What's its total market cap right now?
Its total market cap right now is 86 million.
Wow. So this, yeah, we might have to take a better look at this. I might have
This
to
is like
do,
a good this is if that's really true what you're saying, if the founders are actually and they still are the founders of this and they haven't sold it off or just dropped it. I mean, because this is number 532 right now
I
on the
mean,
market
looking at
cap.
the price right now, to me, it breaks above, just call it like 0.003. I mean, you might have, 0.0033, and after that, there's not much resistance
Yeah.
until you get into this area, and then you're getting up to like, 0.4 cents, half a cent, or it could go up fast. I mean, this is
Yeah, it
low
could.
market cap. Hold on, let
But
me
they were saying that what, 18 cents in the bear market? Okay. They are they're founded through 2026 or funded through 2026. They're funded through 2026. Huh. That's interesting.
I'm gonna try to pull this up on CoinGecko real quick.
Yeah, if you
So,
don't get it, I got it over here.
well, I want to get to
The nitty-gritty.
18 cents back in 2022. Is that
Yes. So he's saying that was during the
when if
bear
they came
market.
out then?
But yeah, I know that. Well, they didn't though. They didn't. They came out older than 3 years ago. So really interesting that they were taken off during the bear market like that. At least I think. If I'm not mistaken, that's what it seems like.
This is their website. The backbone of decentralized
Web3 protocol.
Web3 protocols. Huh.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to I'll have to look at this at another time.
Well,
But the chart's looking promising, that's for sure.
you see what you've done to Bitcoin Brian there, the top the top's top 5 podcast. You've caused
Well,
him to
I'm
want to take a
always
look at
I'm
another
always
coin.
open to looking
You've done
for,
that
like,
to
I
him.
call that like kind of a micro crypto. That thing could balloon, if it's,
He said the
it could
video
go
is a
from
must
80 it
watch.
could go from $80 million market cap to $800 million market cap in no time. There's a quick 10x there.
Yeah. That's
But
a good one. Well,
looking
hey,
at
I
this, I
like
mean,
looking at low market cap coins, and this is one of those low market cap coins. High risk for sure, but credibility. I will say when we were looking up different coins back in 2016, 17, we were looking for credibility. Okay.
yes.
Credibility is like the founders.
Yeah, if
I
you're
was
looking up
interested
a coin and they're not listing who the founders are, the co-founders, the CEO,
the
who's
existing
involved, if it's a
founders,
big
not just
mystery,
yeah,
don't get involved with it.
yeah, the
It's a mystery for a
investors,
reason.
the media, the marketing, everything. I mean, we looked into Tron. Tron was one of the biggest things that I ever bought, and Brian ever bought really. And that thing had credibility in the beginning. You had a team that Justin Sun. If you looked at his credentials back when that first got launched, it was legit, totally legit. He even had credit. He was even credible through the eyes of XR or through the eyes of Ripple because he worked with Ripple, believe it or not, prior to Tron. So yeah, if these are truly the founders, if you really have Visa involved here, if you really have Citibank,
Here, show your screen.
Fidelity, huh?
Show your screen. With what?
Show my screen.
Yeah, where did you see that? They Fidelity, Citibank.
No,
Where would you?
this is what he's telling us right now on in the
Oh,
chat.
oh, I got you.
Yeah, this is what he's saying. He said just watch the first 30 seconds of that video. It's great research that you just had up there.
That I did?
I thought you did.
Well, no, I just had their site on. It wasn't a video.
All right, well, let's do this then. I'll pull it up here. So, if you go to the website, there should be actually let me do this again really quick because I just want to make sure that if I need to use the sound audio. There we go. Okay. Watch the video, it's all in there. That's what he's saying. Okay, you got I thought I saw something, but I guess I didn't.
Scroll slower down. I'm mistaken. Stop right there for a second. So 30 billion circulating treasury. All right, keep going.
Oh, he posted a video in the chat.
Oh, he did.
Yeah, but I don't see the video in the chat. It's not showing for whatever reason. I don't know. We could go to back to YouTube. See if there's something here. Yeah, I don't know.
Huh.
Coin partnerships up with Rock.
Instant. What? Visa and XEN Power Global Payments. Visa integrates Chain's Onyx protocol to enable instant cross-border payments. This reduces costs by 70% while enhancing.
I don't know. We'll look into it. I think that there's something to be said for it. You know? If that's really true what you're saying there. Because that's some pretty insane credibility. I mean, the markets it's on Coinbase.
Yeah.
I mean, there's something there too. Like when you have coins that are at very low market cap coins and they're actually on Coinbase, there's still a lot of credibility to that too.
Yeah. Oh.
But
We'll
we'll have to check out the video. I don't know. Maybe Brian will make one.
Or look into it anyway.
Or look into it. That's an interesting one. Very, very good share. I appreciate that. But yeah,
definitely.
that's like if that thing were to go back to its all-time high, dude, holy crap.
90x.
Dude, you could just like crush it with that thing. Crush it.
God, 90x.
Can you imagine 90xing the I mean, geez, you even just put $100 in there.
Right? You got 9,000.
It's insane.
Or you put $1,000.
You got 90,000.
Even better.
If you put 90,000 into it.
Oh, then you would have
it's like 1.8 million.
No, 8.1 million.
I'm a little dyslexic right now. Oh
I don't
my
know. All
gosh.
right. Huh.
I don't know. Well, anyways, dude, I think I'm gonna
Yeah, I think we're
kill it.
gonna cut this one short tonight, folks. It's been one of these. The last week has been kind of like, well, the holidays, middle of the week,
It's been
just
foggy.
yeah, it has been.
It really
Definitely.
has. I got a hot
Yeah,
tub though.
you didn't. Oh,
I
you told
did.
me you did. That's
Yeah,
right,
I
but not
did.
at your house.
Yeah, I just put the chemicals in and everything.
Oh, well,
But it's
hopefully
12
get you into
degrees out,
it.
and I'm just like, I don't know if I want to go out there in the 12 degrees.
Yeah, yeah, I'm not going out. Not tonight.
Yeah,
Nope. Nope.
but
I think I might, since I had one drink, I might make one more.
you're gonna make another one? Should I
I
make
might.
another? Should we make another one?
I think so.
I'm sucking down the Bloody Mary.
But
Shucking
I'm
it
gonna.
down.
I made myself a White Russian.
Yeah. Unless you guys say something in the chat that you want us to check out really quick. I think we're
Yeah,
gonna
we're.
call it.
I feel kind of lethargic Sunday evening.
Yeah, it's like everybody wants to go, nah, nah.
Night. Yes. But I will
Dude,
be
Danielle,
putting my
actually, oh,
next
I didn't
video.
tell
I
you. I took
really want to
Danielle.
put out a video on IMX, which is one of our top 10 in the
Yeah.
portfolio. I have it. So I think that'll be my next video.
Your
Uh,
dent video, check out that. It's pretty awesome.
definitely. Yeah.
There's some
Some cool
there's
stuff
some
with dent.
strength building with dent right now, I think.
There is. And then the other one with CLV, there's some stuff going on with that too. And I just put that one out a couple days ago, I think.
What was it called?
CLV.
Oh, the CLV. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
no, it's wait, hold on a second. See, now he's asking me to look something up.
all right. What does he want?
BlackRock. So we got okay, the video on YouTube is called BlackRock Behind the ONYX. All right, we'll check it out. Hold on.
Check it out.
Check it out. Okay. We'll take a look at that for you right now. Okay. That's what's going to happen. Wait. XCN. Okay. BlackRock Visa. Oh my goodness.
Citigroup simplifies.
Well, no, is that the video
The
that I
XCN
was just
crypto
looking at?
by Onyx is BlackRock. And I mean literally. The
Oh.
definition of Onyx is a black rock. So could it be that as we've traveled down this Onyx coin rabbit hole for this past week, BlackRock was hiding in plain sight all along? And is it possible that BlackRock, the cornerstone of the traditional financial system for over 35 years, is now positioning itself as the Onyx to power the new crypto world order? Today, we're diving even deeper into the Onyx coin rabbit hole. Let's go.
Make sure you subscribe to Crypto Canvas.
All right, now he's getting us to go down this rabbit hole.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to.
We believe the next step going forward will be the tokenization of financial assets. And that means every stock, every bond will have its own, basically, CUSIP. It'll be on one general ledger. Every investor, you and I, will have our own number, our own identification. We could rid ourselves of all issues around illicit activities about bonds and stocks and digital.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We are going to get straight into it because we have a lot to unpack. If you
Okay.
missed the last two episodes of this
Huh.
Onyx Coin XCN rabbit hole, check.
All right.
I think we need to look into this one maybe.
I think I need to go down this rabbit hole, but on my own time.
Yeah. But look at this. Just look at this little chart he's got here. JP Morgan connected to Adam Ludwin, who's
Little
connected to Visa, who is connected. I mean, he's got like a whole thing figured out here on how this could possibly be happening right now.
one. Yeah.
The interesting thing is I would actually argue that BlackRock is behind way more than just a coin like this. If it is,
But
like,
I got to read into what the coin's going to do and what the utility is, what's its use case,
yeah.
what it's for. I don't even know that yet, But
Meanwhile, check out this guy's video, like it, and maybe subscribe to his channel because he seems like a pretty cool dude who's got some cool things to say about life and the world of cryptocurrency. Crypto Canvas.
Crypto Canvas.
Yeah. All right, we'll check it out. I know that's probably not the video that you were telling us to look up, but it's the one that we saw, and it does kind of support a lot of the things that you were saying there, Mr. or Mrs. The Top's Top 5 podcast in the chat section of this video.
All right.
It's a DAO with nodes. That's what he said.
DAO with nodes.
Yeah. I don't know. I just think that there's a lot of things that BlackRock's involved with, and it wouldn't be surprising to me if it was. I mean, cheese and crow. I wouldn't even be surprised if BlackRock freaking created Bitcoin for all we know. Could be that BlackRock is Satoshi Nakamoto, right?
Yeah, I don't.
There's so many conspiracy
what did he
theories.
say? He said DAO.
Yeah, the DAO.
So the decentralized autonomous organization
Yeah, with nodes.
with nodes
So like,
for Onyx,
which is huge because there needs to be more support and development for the blockchain, and what it takes is nodes. It's just simply what it is.
All right.
So yeah, we'll check it out. Thanks for sharing, guys. Hey guys, if you could do us all a huge favor, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification. That would mean the world to us. Brian's gonna put out some videos this week. I'm gonna put out some stuff this week. We're gonna be follow us on Truth Social. Talk to Elon Musk if you know him and ask him why we're not.
We
on
got
Twitter.
banned from X for who?
Or
no
X.
idea.
Yeah, forgive me for saying Twitter.
Maybe he didn't like our names. Bitcoin.
Maybe he
Brian
didn't like
and
that I said
Crypto
yeah,
Cody.
Maybe he hated that. Who knows?
I don't know.
All right.
Anyway,
we'll talk to you guys
everybody
soon.
have a great week. We'll be talking to you throughout the week. We'll probably do another live Tuesday morning or something.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Yep. All right.
Love you guys.
Have a good night.